Hey, what's going on? Oh, you can't see me. Hey, what's going on? Guys, it's Goofy Ty, aka, just Ty. I got my new car today. Yeah, it's a Mustang, I'll tell you that. 2017, oh, it's nice. Here's the look of it. Oh, this is a beauty right here. Like everything of this is great. Like I don't know what to say to myself. I think I did a pretty good job of getting my own car. So yeah, this is, I'm just making this, maybe 10 minute long video of just showing you what it is. Yes, this is not clickbait, I promise.
Get inside the car.
This is actually mine. I've spent $41,000 on it. It's good. It's
2017.
I said that already.
Okay.
I said it's 2017. Yeah. It's, I don't know, to myself. I'm pretty sure I made my best purchase of my life so far. There's gonna be, I'll give you a disclaimer of, there's gonna be another one just like this very soon, but it will be on my YouTube channel, but just on a different, same car, just not mine. I'll tell you that. It's a little hint of I'm gonna show you sooner. So yeah, I'll give you one more great look at this car. This for sure beats ice cream. And that'd be 41,000. This is I think yeah. It's good. So this is all I want to do. I just want to make a little video of me showing you my new car. Of course the car comes now. So yeah, there it is. My new 2017 Mustang. Yeah. Well, thank you all for watching me put out this car. That's it. Thank you.